So welcome back. Let's continue explaining layers for a while. You can see that, we now have two layers. One for the background, which is the main picture, and one for the area which we copied, using the rectangular marquee tool. We can move the position of the layers as well, by dragging up or down. Obviously, if we drag the background to the top, the copied airplane will be hidden. Now originally, there was a padlock icon next to the background layer. This means that the layer is locked. When locked, I cannot move it or do anything to it. This way, I cannot modify it by mistake. I need to first unlock it to do so. Sometimes I am not allowed to unlock the layer, neither. This is because the image might be in indexed RGB mode, and not RGB. So first, I will need to go to Image, then to Mode, and choose RGB. Now I can unlock the layer. If I click on this eye shape here, I can temporarily hide the layer. This can come handy, so that I can change something underneath the top layer, for instance. I can also delete a layer, by dragging it over the bin icon, here. If I wish, I can reduce the fill of the layer, to make it semi-transparent.